Hello everyone. Myself Mrs. Maushmi, Principal of St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. The place is nearby Lucknow only. Actually, from the early childhood, I was very much sincere and serious about the studies. So naturally, I have chosen this profession. And after that, you all must be thinking that working as a principal and walking on the ramp, both are just North Pole and the South Pole. Actually, from the childhood only, like recitation, anchoring, script reading, acting, these were all my passion. So you can say to fulfill my passion only today I am over here, and along with that some more reasons I am coming back over there. In my life I have received many awards, like few of them I'm just going to say you. Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, Indira Gandhi Sadbhavna Award, Best Teachers Award from Lions Club International, District 322B2, West Bengal, Teaching Excellence Award as the Star Educator, Best Leadership Award by the Magic Book of Record, Blissful Queens International Award, one of the top 100 Influential Women by Blissful Queens International Award. Other than that, very recently I got in the Catwalk Session 1, District India's biggest model hunt 2004. I was awarded as the first runner-up. And always I'm very much involved in the social activities. Like few examples I'm just citing over here: distribution of the food packets before the Deepavali to the underprivileged sections of the society, distribution of the winter garments to the village poor people in our Hardoi district only. Even in West Bengal also, at the time of COVID, in Sundarban area, we have distributed food, garments as well as medicines. Other than that, we have distributed the winter garments to the tribal area. The name of the place was Amla Shol. It's nearby Jharkhand border. We have visited the juvenile jail in Hardoi, motivated and counseled the students not to perform these sort of activities anymore. And over there also we have distributed the food packets and the books. Now I'm coming to the point, if I'll be the winner, how to use this platform. I would like to work for those ladies and girls, those who are socially victim, like those who have never got the justice from the society. I want to be with them. I would like to work for gays, for the homosexuals, because as you all know that I'm working as a principal. So it is in my hand. If someone is coming from that sort of community, I can offer them the job also. Another reason at the back, I have seen from my experience that they are exceptionally talented, those who are coming especially from this background. So I want that their talent should come out, and they should come out with the flying colors, and people should know, people should give the respect to their talents. And other than that, another thing, I would like to work as a global ambassador of peace, because nowadays it's the very burning issues of the society. We all should try to stop the war. Now I'm coming about my children. My daughter, she is just 24 years. She is in film industry only, and my son is 18 years old. He is appearing the board examination in this year. And the most important person of my life, my husband, he is the most influential and inspiring person of my life, you can say, and who has always tried to fulfill my dreams, even at the cost of sacrificing his own dream. And about my parents, my father was a marine engineer, my mother was a school principal. Lastly, with a great pleasure, I would like to announce that I have been selected as one of the finalists of Miss and Mrs. International Gold Category 2024 to represent India, which is going to be held on 31st August at the Bristol Hotel, Deira, Dubai, UAE. I would like to thank to Mrs. M. Ritu Rakesh of VRP Production for organizing such a beautiful event. Thank you so much. Love you all.